Can an LLC address be a home address? Yes. In most states, you can use your home address as the official address of your LLC. Many small business owners do this when they don't have a separate office. It's a simple and cost-effective way to meet the legal requirement for a physical address. However, using your home address comes with downsides. Your address becomes part of the public record, which reduces your privacy. It also means that any legal or state documents, including lawsuits, will be delivered directly to your home. If you move, you'll need to update your LLC filings right away. To protect privacy, many business owners use a registered agent service. This provides a professional street address for your LLC, keeps your personal information off public records, and ensures compliance with state requirements. Zen Business offers affordable registered agent services, so you don't have to use your home address. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.